Okay, today's pattern is going to be a basic progressive step. Progressive meaning forward and back. And so in this particular video, we're going to actually go this way and this way. And then we're going to show you a little bit more of a round feel of the dance as we go through this pattern, okay? So here we go. We're going to start with a basic closed position. Going straight across. Gentlemen, left foot, ladies, right foot, and quick, quick, slow, slow. Quick, quick, slow, slow. As you can tell that Monica and I kind of slowed down our footwork or just kind of like took a smaller step because we're closer to the wall. This is what's going to happen when you practice sometimes or even on the social floor. So you want to make sure you keep your rhythm and keep your timing even though you may be taking smaller steps, okay? Going backwards this time, gentleman's left, and quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow. Excellent. Now, remember, always a good thing to actually, if you get close to the wall, the person could not see behind them, the person will actually slow down, which is the leader. Or if it's the follower, and I'm going backwards, she's going to squeeze my arms or my hand to let me know I'm a little close to an object, okay?
We're not squeezing it off, just kind of...
Yeah, just kind of, let them know, hey, you're a little close to the wall. We then kind of shorten ourselves. Cool? Now, we're going to go around in a circle counterclockwise, which we refer to as line of dance. We're going to go forward, we're going to turn, and then we're going to go backwards. Here we go. Starting off, and quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow. Good. I'm going to turn this around. Quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow. And we're going to turn it around again. Quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow. So you notice as we go to rotate, to go forward and backwards or backwards and forward, we rotate left or right. It doesn't really matter at this point, okay? So what I want you to do now is to go practice this together, and then you can practice separately. Yes, you can practice this separately, going around in your kitchen, or whatever you may have for a dance floor.
Or at the grocery store.
Well, yeah, absolutely. You can do that, cereal, okay, oatmeal, okay. Just kind of do your footwork as you do the buggy. All right, so go have fun with this and come on back. We got another pattern waiting for you.